categories. Now we want to look at what is NIFT Situation Test, right? So this paper solution. The pictures that you are seeing are from 2019. The solutions of this. It's a 2-hour test. This is the only final test that you will have before you will take your admissions into NIFT. Exams will be conducted at NIFT campuses only. Basically, they want to assess. It's all about 3D model making exercises. Nothing that you did in the first test will be asked over all again. They will give you various stationery items, wire, paper, clay, etc., and you're supposed to make 3D models out of them. But also, this is not like a craft activity. It is no craft. This is proper, legit 3D models based on the design concepts and principles. And so, whatever you are using, if you're using a toothpick or an ice cream stick, they will analyze or assess or evaluate your models on this following factors. Stanley sir will be talking more about what kind of these things are, what factors in very detail, but they will see how well you are using the space that is given to you for work. How nicely are you using all these various materials that they've given you? How efficiently and innovative way? How have you used the construction skill and how sturdy the model is? Overall presentation of your model and also the write-up that you're supposed to write. जो भी model बनाया है, whatever model you have made, you're supposed to write a content writing for that also up to 50 to 100 marks. So they will assess everything very critically.